In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use synchronous scrolling in Excel. This is a simple trick that makes comparing two worksheets or workbooks much easier by keeping them in lockstep as you move through your data. If you've ever found yourself jumping back and forth to check totals, formulas, or formatting across two sheets, this will save you time and reduce errors. Start by heading to the View tab in Excel. You'll find it on the ribbon at the top of your screen. The View tab holds tools for how your workbook appears, and it's where the side-by-side and synchronized options live. Make sure you've got the two files or two windows you want to compare available. Synchronous scrolling is designed to coordinate movement between two open views. Next, choose View Side by Side. Excel will place your two windows next to each other so you can see both at once. This layout is ideal for reviewing matching reports, versions of the same sheet, or related tabs with similar structures. You can drag the borders to adjust the size of each window if you need a little more room to see specific columns or headers. Once they're sitting side by side, you're ready to link their movement. Now, click Synchronous Scrolling. You'll find this option on the same View Tools area. When it's active, Excel ties the scroll position of both windows together. That means as you move in one, the other tracks along with it. This is especially helpful if both sheets share the same layout or column order, because it keeps the same rows and columns in view across both windows. With synchronous scrolling on, try scrolling in the first window. Use your mouse wheel, the scroll bar, or your trackpad, whatever you prefer. You'll see the second window follow automatically. Vertical movement is typically the focus, but if your data is wide, you'll notice horizontal scrolling keeps both windows aligned too. For the clearest comparison, it helps if both windows start from similar positions, like the same top left cell or the same section of your report. Keeping zoom levels consistent also makes it easier to match what you're seeing at a glance. If the rows or columns drift out of sync because the sheets are shaped differently, simply scroll to bring matching headers or sections back into view. Then continue reviewing. This approach is perfect for checking month-over-month numbers, validating formulas across versions, or confirming that formatting and totals line up. And that's it. Go to View, choose View Side by Side, enable synchronous scrolling, and then scroll in one window to follow along in the other. It's a small change that makes side-by-side analysis in Excel fast, accurate, and stress-free.